Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading another Learn with Peppa Pig story, The Paper Plane Contest. It was 7 o'clock in the morning and Daddy Pig was reading his newspaper on the lawn. Peppa Pig asked, "Can we have some of your newspaper?" He handed some over. Peppa and George exploded into the house with their sheets of paper. Mummy Pig helped them make the paper into planes. "Let's go and play with the planes." Mummy Pig threw her plane first. It flew all the way to the field beyond the garden. "We should have a contest. If your plane flies the furthest, you win a prize." Peppa pretended to be a pilot. Her plane glided into the field, but George's crashed like a stone into the duck pond. George was silent. Splash! Peppa shrieked, "Mine flew the furthest! I win!" George burst into tears. He wanted to win too. Daddy Pig went inside. He looked all over the room. He crawled under the desk and looked in his briefcase. "I'm sure I saw it in here." Aha! Peppa and George saw a big blue sheet behind the printer. It would make the biggest, best plane yet. They took it to Mummy Pig. She was the chief plane maker. Peppa and George took their new plane to Daddy Pig with pride. "I'm amazed," he said. "I hope it glides well," Peppa said. Daddy Pig explained, "Now this plane belongs to all of us. We are not competing, so we all win." Peppa nodded. The plane flew into the clouds and then landed in the field. Peppa and George both smiled and clapped. They flew paper planes for the rest of the day. They all counted to 3 and threw their planes. It was fun to win, but gliding lots of planes at the same time was even better. Now let's do a quick quiz with Peppa. What type of paper did Peppa and George use to make their first paper planes? Newspaper. Where did Mummy Pig's plane land? On the field beyond the garden. Why did George burst into tears? Because Peppa won the paper plane contest. What was better than winning the paper plane contest? Gliding planes across the field together. Read page 15 again. Which word tells you that Mummy Pig was in charge of making the paper planes? They took it to Mummy Pig. She was the chief plane maker. Chief explains that Mummy Pig is the leader of making planes. That was fun, wasn't it? Have you ever made a paper plane? How far did it travel? Have you ever flown in a real plane? Count how many planes you see in the big blue sky today. Thank you for reading this book with me.